There's this one. This one's Luciana. Luciana.
Oh yeah, and you've both got to try and get them fed within 20 minutes.
Fed in 20 minutes, you're a good job. That's a good girl.
In 20 minutes?
That's what I've been doing.
Is that the limit?
Yeah.
And what happens if you don't? They start
crying all night.
throwing things about.
Yeah, they get cots and stamp the feet and everything.
And they turn the lights out and shout and...
Don't think I want this, you know, Nick.
She does.
Spitting it out.
She only started taking her feeds off me yesterday. She won't feed off anybody else other than the midwife that was feeding her until
Well, you ain't
yesterday.
going to be that fussy because you've got to feed off anybody, because when your mum's busy, I can't stop to feed you. Oh, open the mouth.
She's lazy. Don't know where she gets it from.
So how many bottles a day they gonna have?
Come on, drink.
Every 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours.
Luciana, drink.
Some more. And that's through the night as well. Colin.
Right?
That's through the night as well.
Through the noise.
She don't.
So you give them a double one at 12.
Oh, she not wanted.
She don't not want it.
She will.
It's slow.
So you give them a double one at 12 o'clock.
No.
Sleep 8 hours.
No.
Well, how do you get your sleep?
I don't know.
Does somebody still come in?
Yeah, if in the night time, because I'm on my own, if I struggle in the night time, then they come in and take them off my gaff. Sorry, but he was pulling the teeth out of his mouth. And he was sucking it.
Do you have to give him any water?
Well, you can do, but not yet.
We're going to get nowhere.